welcome back. Beef tenderloin wrapped in bacon, which by the way is optional, but this one is going to be wrapped in bacon. And I'm going to use and show you how to make a homemade honey balsamic glaze. And the technique I'm going to apply here is going to make this beef tenderloin perfect. I'm going to start on the stove, and then I'm going to provide the final touches in the oven. It's going to be perfect. Trust me, let's try it together. And if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe so I can share with you other techniques, other meals, and how to enhance and cook with all the senses. So go nowhere, let's create. Here are the ingredients. I have black pepper, sea salt. I have my homemade butter mix, and I'm going to share a video how to prepare this. One garlic tooth, thyme, rosemary. I have a local honey, and I'm going to put in the description because it's a small business. I'm going to put in my description what is this honey about. And I have also a local business contribution about the, oh actually this was a gift by a friend. And this is a balsamic vinegar. And I'm also going to put a link about this in the description. And I have this delicious looking, nice looking meat. This is 2 beef tenderloins. About this, the local butcher, the Meat Hook is the name of the butcher, the Meat Hook. And I also bought there the bacon. And look at this bacon. This bacon is not like your store bacon. This bacon is thick. You know, that's what I like about this bacon. Now, you don't have to use bacon when you prepare this particular meal, but I'm going to use bacon. I'm going to show you how to do it with bacon. And I think that's pretty much it. So this is very simple. All you do is wrap it up, put a toothpick to hold it in, just in case. You know, just a simple wrap. Now using double bacon. Once again, you don't need to use any bacon. So you wrap it, put that baby in. Here they are. They're ready to go. So I'm going to keep this one simple. Generous amount of sea salt. Generous amount of pepper. Both sides. Okay, with the heat medium low, put about a tablespoon of the honey. And actually, this is going to be painful. And about 1/3 of a cup of the balsamic. Mix it up a little bit. And let it go for like, you know what, come back, take a look about in the 10-minute mark. Give it a taste. If it hasn't mixed well, give it another 5 minutes. So I have the pan in very high heat and it's very hot right now. And I'm going to add the tenderloin, beef tenderloin. And what I'm going to do, because I'm going to do it first on the stove and then I'm going to switch them to the oven. I'm going to cook inside for about, well, 1 minute. And then the second side probably about a minute and a half. So 1 minute in this side, then I flip it, 90 seconds the second side. So I just flip it, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some butter mix. I'm going to put the sign on the top. And that piece of garlic, I'm going to put it there. And for like the 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes, between a minute and a half and 2 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this aromatic on it, with the butter, the oil. Now I'm going to be ready to put inside the oven. I have the oven at 350 degrees. You can do a lower degree if you want to. And I'm going to use a thermometer to be more precise. Right now the meat is 79 degrees Fahrenheit. I want it to 135 because I want it like medium rare. And actually I might lower this to 130. I want it a little bit more in the rare side. So stay tuned. So it's time to start applying some of this honey glaze. And do it generously. In other words, apply a lot. And you could have done this anytime, but because it reached the 100 degree mark, I decided to do it now. So I'm going to let it rest for like 5 minutes.